Today's the Middle School Theater Festival, where we've got kids from all the feeder schools into our high schools at Cypress-Fairbanks learning all the wonderful aspects of theater that we offer. We've got students here working in costuming. We've got students who are interested in technical theater, in set construction, lighting design, and sound design. We've got character development workshops as well as dance workshops, and really representing all the aspects of theater.
So over here is the technical workshop. So there's how to wrap wires properly, and then how to use a drill properly to make props or sets. And there's also some quick changes over there, which you have to do backstage sometimes, and just some more technical stuff in theater. I have been having a good time. It's really fun to meet all the different kids and ask them hey, what high school are you going to, and just seeing if they have experience with the drill or not. And it's kind of fun teaching them and also conversating with them.
I think it's important that everybody finds a place that they belong, starting in junior high, and that we can give them a safe place to be creative and make art through theater in high school.